Lesson 3.6, one-digit multiplication. Before we start, I want this note to be on the top of your minds. I don't care how the problem looks. I want you to write all problems vertically. If you're not sure what vertically means, it means like that, up and down. All right, there's two steps to multiplying by one digit. So let's look at step one. Multiply the ones and regroup if necessary. So I put the ones in red. So if we have 43 times 8, I'm just going to do 3 times 8. And I know that 3 times 8 is 24. So I put a 4 down here, and I need to regroup. So I'm going to regroup the 2 and put it on top of the tens column. Because remember, 24 has a 2 in the tens column. Now let's look at step 2. Now we multiply the tens, and we're going to add any extra tens that we regrouped. So we go back to 43 times 8, and so we already did 8 times 3. Now we need to do 8 times 4. 8 times 4 is 32, and we need to add the extra tens. So 32, 33, 34. So we write down 34. We write a 4 in our tens column, and then instead of regrouping, there's nothing else, so we just write it down here as our answer. So 43 times 8 is 344. And really, those are the only two steps. Multiplying the ones and then regrouping if necessary, and then multiplying the tens and adding the extra tens that you had already regrouped. Let's do a few practice problems. Number 1, 32 times 8. I want you to try doing this. Remember what we said in the beginning. Rewrite all problems vertically and practice it. Hopefully you pause the video. Right. 32 times 8. We take 8 times 2 and get 16. We regroup the 1 over here. 8 times 3 is 24. We add that one more. We get 256. Question 2, 19 times 7. Pause the video, see if you can do it. You're on fire. You got it again. 9 times 7 is 63, so we put the 3 down here. Regroup the 6. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 6 is 13. So our answer is 133. And the last problem is 24 times 3. Exactly. 3 times 4 is 12. We regroup the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 is 7. So our answer is 72. This is the lesson. If you look right up here, if you struggle with your one-digit multiplication, so 3 times 8, or 4 times 2, or 5 times 7, if those are difficult for you, please make flashcards. If we need to spend work time during class to make them, that's what we'll do, but I need that to be a strength for you. So please make sure you're practicing, and I'll see you tomorrow.